Hello students, welcome to class 11 subject mathematics chapter sets. This is 10th lecture. So today we will learn about practical problems on union and intersection of two sets. So we have seen here, so let A and B be two finite sets. If A intersection B is null set, that means no common element is there, then number of element in A union B will be number of element of A and number of element of B's sum. So what we have here, we have a universal set, this rectangle, and two sets A and B, but these two sets do not have any common element. So if they don't have any common element, that means this A set and B set are disjoint set. So we already know how do you represent two disjoint sets. So their intersection will be null. That means no element is common between A and set B. So now students, we are telling about the number of elements of A union B. So number of elements A union B, that means A union B, we know these both sets. So whatever elements are there into both sets, that will be the number of element of A union B. So number of element of A plus number of element of B. In general, if A and B are finite sets, that means we don't know they have no common element, or there may be common element between set A and B. So what we will do, we want to find out number of element in A union B. So if these two sets A and B, and they have some common part, then this common part contain the element of A and contain the element of B also. So that means this intersection part A intersection B taken two times. So we have to subtract once. These the intersection parts. So the number of element of set A union B will be number of element of set A and number of element of set B. So we have taken two times here A intersection B, so that's why we have subtract once A intersection B here. So this is the reason for that we are writing this formula in this way. Now note, so in notes, the sets A union A difference B, A intersection B, and B difference A are disjoint and their union is A union B. So if we see the figure here, so we will understand that this set is the universal set rectangle, and here A minus B we can write two, we can write two sets which are intersected each other. So this middle portion is A intersection B. This one is the element of A but not the element of B. This part is element of B but not the element of A. So we have divided A union B in three equal parts which are all disjoint. Here A minus B intersection A intersection and this A intersection B and the B difference A. So it means the element of A but not the element of B, and this is the common element of A and B, and this is the element of B but not the element of A. So this way we can make the A union B disjoint. So to make the disjoint, what are the sets we required? A minus B, A intersection B, and B minus A. So same thing have shown here clearly, and we have got this formula that A union B's number of element will be number of element of A difference B, number of element of A intersection B, number of element of B difference A. So students, we can write this line in another way, that is A minus B as it is written here, and A intersection B is also as it is written, B minus A is also written, and n number of element of A intersection B we have once added and subtracted. So if you see, if we draw it two sets A, so this part is A minus B and this part is A intersection B, and this one is B minus A or B difference A difference B, and A intersection B. So students, you will see, you can observe here that this represent element of A and this one represent common element of A and B. So that means A minus B and A minus B and A intersection B both making A sets together. So that line is cleared here, that A minus B and A intersection B's elements are actually elements of A, and B minus A and A intersection B's elements are actually elements of set B, and this one remain as it is. Okay, so now we similarly can write for three sets A, B, C's union, number of whose elements or order, it's called number of elements of A plus number of elements of B plus number of element of C and number of element of A intersection B intersection C. C is left here, you will correct it. Okay, next we will see that A, oh that one, oh sorry, the formula for this will be n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B, n of B intersection C, n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Now next question, question number 1. If A and B are two sets such that n of A equal to 27, n of B equal to 35, and number of element of A union B is 50, then find the number of element of A intersection B. So for that we will see, we already know the formula for number of element of A union B equal to number of element of A plus number of element of B minus number of element of A intersection B. Now we will find out, we have to find out A intersection B's number. That's why we have written here A intersection B, and this goes there. So that's why here it is A union B. Now put the value of n of A is 27, n of B is 35, n of A union B is 50. So we will got 12. 12 is the answer. Next question, if x and y are two sets such that x union y has 50 elements, so it means n of x union y equal to 50. This is the meaning of it. And x has 28 elements, that means n of x equal to 28, n of y equal to 32. So how many elements does x intersection y have? So we have to find out x intersection y equal to how much. So to find this, what we will do, given that n of x union y is 50, n of x equal to 28, n of y 32. So we have to just find out intersection part. We already know the formula for number of element of x union y equal to number of element of x plus number of element of y minus number of element of x intersection y. Now if we take it in another side, so this will go left hand right hand side. So we put the values and we got the answer 10. Now next question, question number 3, telling us in a school there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. This or word representing union. So if math is M, physics is set is P, so or means M union P. This number, its number of element is 20, and 12 teaches mathematics, that means n of m equal to 12, and 4 teaches physics, that means physics and mathematics, that means m intersection p, that is given 4. So students, we have seen all the types of given information. Just we have to use these informations and we have to find out the how many physics teachers are there. So we have the formula. What is the formula? N of m union p equal to n of m plus n of p and minus n of m intersection p. So all these values are given, just only n of p is we have to find out. So by putting all this information in the given equation, we will find out the value of n of p, that means number of physics teacher. So here we got number of physics teacher is 12. This is the answer. Now this much we learn today about practical problem of union and intersection of two sets. Thank you. Have a nice day.